All right, here's our example. So we have a company that had previously purchased equipment on January 1st, 2020 for $45,000. The company uses the straight line method of depreciation for its assets, and it estimates that this equipment will last 5 years and has no salvage value. On January 1st, 2022, so 2 years later, the company sells the equipment for $28,000. Okay, we shall prepare a journal entry. All right, so we at January 1st, 2022, are going to prepare the journal entry to record the sale of equipment for $28,000. Okay, start with the easy pieces, right? We said cash, that's going to be given to us. There it is, $28,000. Start with the other easy piece, equipment, right? That has to be recorded at cost. Cost is given $45,000. We have to get rid of accumulated depreciation, but we're going to have to calculate that. Okay, the easiest way, or the way I like to set it up, is I like to do a T account for it. Accumulated depreciation, right? And as the name suggests, this account accumulates all past years of depreciation. Okay, so we owned this equipment in 2020 and in 2021. We sold it January 1st of 2022. So we didn't own it for 2022. So we have to figure out what was our depreciation expense for those 2 years. All right, well, we're told they use the straight line method, which is cost minus salvage value over life. Cost was $45,000, no salvage value. Life was 5 years. So per year, we were looking at $9,000. Okay, we owned it the entire year because we bought it January 1st. At least that's easy enough. Okay, so your accumulated depreciation that you end 2021 with is $18,000. Now we have to figure out, do we have a gain or do we have a loss? We said to figure that out, we compare cash to book value. Book value is cost. Cost of $48,000 minus accumulated depreciation of $18,000. All right, our cash is more than our book value, just barely, but that's enough. It's a gain of $1,000. Gains will be credited. Gain on sale of plant asset. If you add up your debits and your credits, we should get the same on both sides. Yay! You prepared a journal entry to record the sale of a plant asset. And you are done with Chapter 11.